Hello everyone, this is Abdulkareem Qasem. Today I would like to share with you a quick video about taking the TOEFL iBT test from home. As you know that the world nowadays is facing a challenge of coronavirus, and as you know that the world nowadays the whole world is in quarantine nowadays, and the ETS, which is the educational testing system, is has a commitment for the clients and the TOEFL iBT test takers to serve the students who would like to take these tests to satisfy their dreams and goals to go to universities or to get a job or etc. So scroll down. So you go to the website ets.org. After that, you scroll down to the TOEFL. So as you know that in normal days, TOEFL iBT tests can be taken in a test center, but nowadays most students or most people are not allowed to go outside because of the pandemic. So as you can see here that this is a screen popped up which says that there are some important updates for the TOEFL iBT. You click here on the update and wait for a second. After that, you will see that there is some requirements that you have to satisfy before taking the test. So here it says that you can take the TOEFL iBT at home, and you will need a protocol, which is personnel that will watch you during your test, during the time that you are taking the test, and it is available on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday until June 13th. So here, as you can see here, whether you are eligible or not, it depends. Actually, for most countries, that the TOEFL iBT is taken, so all students in that country can take the TOEFL iBT test, except China and Iran. It's not possible for them. But before you register or before you test your equipments and your accessories that will help you to take the TOEFL iBT, you can check the equipment requirements. You can click here. And this is the ETS test browser. This is the browser that you will take the TOEFL iBT through. So you have to download this app, and it will, after you download it, you will be taken to the login system, and you will enter your test ID and also your password that you will take, that you will get when you register for the TOEFL iBT online. And after that, you will test your equipment, such as your camera, your microphone, etc. So this is the equipment requirements. This is the equipment requirement that we will take here. This is to testify the equipments that you have: the camera, the microphone, flash, and the OS check, and etc. So here the camera, in the camera, actually it will, yeah, because I am recording this for you, so my camera is not allowed to me to, but for you, when you are not doing anything, you are not recording, so this will be allowed by your browser. You just click allow, so it will allow you. The same thing will be applied to the other stuff. After that you have verified that the equipments are working properly, then you will take to the next step, which is start your registration, which is the same as registration for the TOEFL. And I have made a video about this before, and I will put the link in the description, so you can, after you verify these equipments, you can go and register for the TOEFL iBT online. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. I hope you will get some information from this video, and thank you again so much for your attention.